Urgent immediate broadcast requested. Flood watch. National Weather Service, Huntsville, AL. 1026 AM CDT, Saturday, April 5, 2025. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin, AL-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Mars, Hall, Jackson, DeKalb, Cullman, Moore, Lincoln, Franklin, TN, including the cities of Cowan, Russellville, Red Bay, Athens, Huntsville, Estill Springs, Albertville, Arab, Rainsville, Fort Payne, Fayetteville, Decherd, Decatur, Moulton, Lynchburg, Guntersville, Cullman, Tuscumbia, Sewanee, Sheffield, Muscle Shoals, Scottsboro, Town Creek, Florence, Winchester. And Boaz. 1026 AM CDT, Saturday, April 5, 2025. Flood watch in effect from 6 p.m. CDT this evening through Sunday evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible where portions of Alabama, including the following areas: Colbert, Cullman, DeKalb, Franklin, AL, Jackson, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Limestone, Madison, Mars, Hall, and Morgan, and southern Middle Tennessee, including the following areas: Franklin, TN, Lincoln, and more. When from 6 p.m. CDT this evening through Sunday afternoon, impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Additional details. An approaching storm system will bring heavy rainfall into northwestern Alabama into the late afternoon or evening hours tonight and continue to bring heavy rainfall to the area into Sunday afternoon before exiting the area. 2 to 4 inches of rainfall are expected with locally higher amounts possible. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Precautionary preparedness actions. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. And